Namaste. Filling up of the OMR sheet attached with the board answer script is the most important process in your CBSE board examination. Let us quickly recollect the correct procedure of filling up this OMR sheet. Just for a sample, we have the photocopy of Class 12 board examination OMR sheet. But Class 10 OMR sheet is also exactly the same. So this video is for both class 10 as well as class 12 board students. It is always preferable to use a ballpoint pen, that is a refill pen. Kindly refrain from using gel pen or ink pen in filling up the OMR sheet in order to ensure proper OMR impression. Now let us quickly recollect the procedure of filling up this OMR sheet. Now let us start with the left side of the OMR sheet. So the first blank of the left side is subject. So you have to write the name of the subject followed by subject code. Say for example, it is physics. Subject code is 042. Subject code will also be mentioned on the question paper. Kindly see the subject code and write correctly. Day and date of the examination. So on which day you are going to write the exam and what is the date. Say for example 22/2/2023 Wednesday. Just for example I am writing this. Then medium of answering the paper, it is English for all the subjects except for Tamil and Hindi, that is your language, higher language subjects. Except for that, all subjects will have medium of answering as English. Then code number. So this code number will be on the top of your question paper. For example, 313/1, 313/2, 313/3, 25/1, like that. There will be some code number on the question paper. Please write that code number. Just for example, I am writing a code number here. And say set number is 1. Both these details will be on the first page of your question paper, and also at the bottom of each and every page of your question paper you will have the set number and code number. So please ensure you are writing the correct code number and shading the correct set number. Number of supplementary sheets used. This has to be filled at the end of the examination and do not forget to fill it up. Person with benchmark disabilities, no. Code of disability, put a dash. Whether writer provided, no. If visually challenged, name of the software used, nothing, dash. So this is all about the left page, and in this one blank is empty, and this has to be filled up at the end of the examination. Now coming to the right side of the OMR sheet. So the right side of the OMR sheet starts with candidate's name in capital letter. So say for example your name is A, B, C, D, E, F and initial is G. So this is how you will write, all capital letter, and there will be an empty box before initial. Or suppose if your name starts with the initial as per your hall ticket, then after the initial you will leave space. And only 24 characters can be accommodated in these boxes. Suppose if your name goes beyond it, stop with this box. Whatever alphabet comes in this box, you need not write any other alphabet other than this. So with this you can stop. Then below that you have to shade correctly. So below A you have to shade A, below B you have to shade B, below C you have to shade C. Just for example I have taken like this. Suppose here instead of C, if it is L, I have to shade L correctly. Mostly the names of our school children are followed by their father's name. For example, Arun Rajagopal, Varsha Rajendran, like that, right? So in that case, what you have to do? You have to write your full name along with the expansion of your father's name. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, say H, I, J, like that. You have to write the name completely and shade for your father's name also. This is very important. like G, H. Just for an example, I am shading this G and H. You have to expand the father's name correctly, and accordingly you have to shade. Suppose if your name and father's name exceed these 24 boxes, you may stop with this 24th box. You need not go beyond this. Do not write anything to the right of this box, or do not shade anything in this empty space. Comes roll number. Say for example, your roll number is 21 or 20176123. Just for example, I am giving a number like this. Then as usual, below 2 you have to shade 2, below 0 you have to shade 0. Ensure that you shade the circle completely. You shade the circle completely like this. 201 7 6 1 2 3. All these digits have to be shaded completely. Then subject code. So subject code, whatever examination you are writing, the respective subject code you will be writing. And again 0 4 2. Then center number. Center number is the number of the examination center which you are going to write. It is 83732 So this center number is common for all the students, 10th as well as 12th, 837325. This is the exam center number. And again 8 you will shade, 3 7 3 2 5. Shade it properly. Ensure that the entire circle is shaded. No half circle shading, no dots. Right? Then there are two small boxes here. Sometimes we overlook it. Please ensure you are not missing any box. This box has subject. So whatever is the subject, you will be writing the name of the subject. Just for example, I am writing physics. And school number as per admit card. School number is 55054. Again, this is common for all the students. And remember, your center number, school number, everything, your roll number, everything will be there on your admit card. Please use admit card. Fill the OMR sheet correctly without mistakes. Then roll number in words. Now just for example, I took the roll number as 20176123, which means 2,176,123. So accordingly, I'll write here 2 crore is already given. 176,123. So this is how we write the board roll number in words. Then father's name or guardian's name. Say whatever is your father's name or guardian's name, you will be writing using block letters. So just for example, I am writing XYZ. And below that you have signature of candidate. So you will put your signature in running hands like A, B, C, D, E. So this is how you fill the OMR sheet. And after completing it, do not forget, at the end of the examination, you have to fill up this box. Say for example, if you have got 2 additional sheets, you will write 02. If you have got only 1 additional sheet, you will write 1. If you did not get any additional, main booklet was more than sufficient for you, you will be writing nil. And answer scripts, as I told you already, for 10th and 12th, it will be almost similar. For mathematics examination, the answer scripts will have graph. Answer booklet will have graph. So there will be a mention like with graph. So the answer booklet may be slightly different for commerce stream students, but OMR sheet will be exactly the same. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.